Hey guys, Joe here, 690 690 Garage. Another tip in 2 minutes or less. Yeah. Seems like much is, it's just simple things that we always seem to forget about. Gloves. Gloves are fantastic. They're awesome to have. These are my KTM gloves. They have the ballistics on them. They're very, very comfortable. They actually breathe right here in the fingertips. But there's all different types of gloves that you can get out there. Gloves are great. They protect your digits, and they're just good to have. And I am just as bad as everyone else. I forget to wear my gloves, and you know what? I need to be better about it myself. Basically, put your gloves on. You never know when you're going to go down and you're going to need to put your hands down, or you're going to need some protection. If you don't, you can lose fingers. Have a buddy of ours back in Florida was not wearing gloves, had a busted, basically a shifter. Guess what? he no longer has a pinky. So it probably would have helped if he had some gloves on. So just remember, wear your gloves. It's a smart thing to do, and gloves are very, very cheap, and they protect your digits. So anyway, this is your tip in 2 minutes or less. You guys have a fantastic day. Remember, always wear your gloves.